Facebook stars, okay? Let your fans support you by sending stars and gifts. Click natin yung activate and let's see kung anong mangyayari. Okay, set up payout for stars. Okay, kailangan mag-sign up. Setting up stars. Okay, habang hinihintay natin to guys, please remember to always follow, comment, like, and share itong ating Like Anika Family Vlogs. Okay, and yung content po natin is more on family-oriented videos, funny moments. From time to time, nag-i-inject rin tayo ng mga Facebook tutorials based on data-driven numbers and analytics from Facebook Meta Performance Dashboard Insights, okay? Para habang pinag-aaralan natin yung growth natin dito sa Facebook monetization, na-share din natin yung ating knowledge sa ating mga viewers, followers, and yung ating mga recurring or returning viewers, even yung ating mga new audience na first time pa lang ma-discover yung ating Facebook page, okay? So just like that, makikita natin under our approximate earnings, June earnings yan. Pagka nag-scroll down tayo, your programs, content monetization, finally, meron na naman tayong, medyo, meron tayong, meron tayong 4 na sources after natin i-approve or i-sign up yung ating eligibility for Facebook stars. Okay, meron tayong monetization na active na dito sa content monetization. So more on Facebook Reels, extra bonuses, photos and text, even stories, and then affiliate marketing. Meron din. Ito yung list na nagagamit natin out of our content monetization tools, pero okay lang yan. At least meron na tayong pangatlong potential additional avenue kung saan tayo pwedeng makapag-earn ng additional income dito sa Facebook, okay? Facebook stars. So i-click na natin 'yan. Okay, so first time natin tong i-activate sa ating account. So from time to time magbibigay rin tayo ng update or gagawin rin natin to ng update video right after natin siya ma-set up today, Sunday, June 7, 2026, 5:27 AM Manila time, okay? Okay to kasi somehow ma-address nito yung problema natin when it comes to low earning rate sa Facebook. Kapag chinek natin yung approximate earnings natin, makikita natin so far kumikita na tayo ng $16.38. Kapag nag-check tayo ng peso to dollar exchange rate, yung 16.33 equal yan sa 1,009 Philippine peso. Okay, so may 1,000 na tayong kinikita so far. Ang threshold nito bago ma-withdraw, $25. Okay, so yung gusto pa nating i-point out dito sa monetization would be, pag clinic kasi natin tong content monetization dito sa portion na to, makikita natin tong your earning potential, your earning rate. Pag clinic natin yung earning rate, makikita natin yung earnings rate natin 0.01. Kapag kinalculate natin yan guys, napakababa niyan. Wala pang piso, kita nyo naman 0.62 Philippine peso. So 62 cents lang yan. So kung meron tayong additional monetization tool which is yung stars, nakadepend yan or kumbaga out of free will na yan ng audience natin kung bibigyan nila tayo ng stars, okay? So ang kailangan natin gawing action sa end natin is to continue producing quality content na may mapupulot silang either it's a kahit anong form of benefit sa audience, may it be entertainment, educational, basta content na may sustansya na magiging kapaki-pakinabang sa perspective ng audience natin or sa standpoint ng ating mga viewers, okay? So yun lang muna for now. Remember to always follow our Like Anika Family Vlogs Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa ating organic 3,800 followers. Proud ako dito kasi wala tayong ginawang fake engagement, talagang literal na hard work, data-driven information galing sa Facebook, in-incorporate natin and in-implement natin sa ating mga previous and succeeding videos. And although kumbaga hindi naman biglaan yung growth natin, talagang masasabi ko talaga and proud tayo na organic yung growth na ginawa natin. So kapag lumago pa to up to 10,000 followers and above, sure na sure talaga ako na magre-reflect din ito balang araw sa ating earnings, okay? Sa ngayon, makikita natin napakababa ng earning rate natin, pero I'm optimistic, and gagawin talaga natin yung to the best of our knowledge para mag-grow pa tong Facebook page natin. Maraming salamat kung nagustuhan mo yung napakagandang intent natin when it comes to social media platforms, Facebook Meta, kung paano tayo kumita dito. Make sure to follow our page, okay? Kung nakaabot ka sa part ng video na to, maraming salamat. God bless. Sana sa susunod ikaw naman yung ma-monetize sa Facebook. Maraming salamat. Okay, Facebook monetization stars ready for setup. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin. So bigla na lang sumulpot to ngayon habang nag-e-edit tayo. So record na natin yung video habang gagawin natin to real time, okay, for the benefit and of our audience, and to serve as an informative tutorial na rin about Facebook Meta content monetization.